Welcome to Red Nolan. I'm Josh Hansen. Now, back in 1974, when Red established the Red Nolan Auto Group, he did it with a customer service in mind, the Red Nolan way, the way you want to be treated, the way you ought to be treated, and then some. Now, selling cars is all fine and dandy, but taking care of the customers after the sale is really where the magic happens. Let's sit down with Service Manager Mark and Technician Justin. So now we're sitting here with Justin, one of our service technicians. Justin, what do you do as a technician?
Well, that kind of varies between services, diagnosing and rectifying the issues. We do spend quite a bit of time just doing lots of natural services, but that's basically the gist of what we do. We try to make sure that all the cars are in good running condition and that our customers are happy.
What does training look like in your progression through the company?
We do a lot of virtual classes, hands-on, and of course you can always borrow a little bit of people's strengths throughout the shop. I would say that's one of the best ways to learn.
What's the best part about working for the Red Nolan Auto Group?
Well, I would consider it more of a Red Nolan family. Every single person here is on a first name basis with each other. A lot of my colleagues know my kid by a first name basis. It's really nice and a good structure.
Mark, can you tell us what some of the service requirements are for a service technician?
The most important thing is to have a clean, if not perfect, driving record. Because if we can't insure you, then you can't even sit in a vehicle to where you can't even touch a car. It's not all about knowing how to tear apart an engine. It's clean and perfect driving record. Have your own tools. Other than that, all we're looking for is someone who has good character, willingness to learn, can take direction, a team player.
What type of techs are you looking for?
All kinds, actually. We have an apprenticeship program. Some of the techs come from independent background, some are factory trained. We like all kinds.
Certain skill levels or experience that you prefer?
No, not really, because I always say we can teach the job, we can't teach character. We want to get the right people here, and we will then bring you up through our own program if you aren't already at our standards.
Just be a good fit for our family.
Exactly.
Now that you heard a little bit about our service experience, if you'd like to have some more information and learn about becoming part of our team, please check out the information here on the screen.